I decided to join Gardenary because I really wanted a support system. So I had this desire to start my own gardening business, but I had no idea how to get there. So I not only wanted a team of people, a group of people to show me how, but I really wanted support on every step of the process, especially in the fact that certain steps are harder than others. So rather than turn back on my path, I really wanted that support system to just see me through. Now that I have started my own business, life is more exciting because I have certain goals and certain milestones. So rather than aimlessly, wondering how I can fulfill certain parts of my life that I feel lacking, Gardenary has helped me identify those both in my business and in my personal life, and created a method of creating that fulfillment and that purpose and that drive to reach certain goals and then establish new ones that I didn't even think were possible. One, I never thought I was gonna ever start my own business. Like, being an entrepreneur was not my dream. Starting my own business was not my dream. It just all of a sudden became my dream. And I remember talking to my fiance thinking like I could never run my own business. So one, I'm already doing that. And two, I'm reaching milestones of like certain gardens that I didn't think were possible. So I just got my first $20,000 garden installation, and I'm putting in fully native plants for this amazing client who's so excited, so happy. And I would have thought that that was not possible before. And I would not have known how to even find that client, how to create that garden, and really how to see this dream to fulfillment. It would have remained a dream. So in my experience, the person that I think would be great for Gardenary and would find a lot of success in it is one that is able to have patience for the process and understand that you might not have all the answers now, or you might not be able to see how it's possible now, but that doesn't mean that it's not possible, or you won't find those answers. And then you also have to be, and I say this in a positive way, a risk taker, a calculated risk taker. So even though you might not think it's possible, you're gonna trust yourself, and then you're gonna act on that by taking that calculated risk, putting yourself out there, knocking on the door, calling that person, pitching that $20,000 garden that you're not sure how they'll feel about it. Because if you don't present the opportunity, no one will say yes. I could talk about Nicole forever. Really, people join because they want to start their own business. She is a business coach, specifically a garden business coach, but she has changed my entire life too, because it's more than just reaching certain financial milestones. Like, she really, when you are talking with her about a certain problem, she gets to the core of the problem, and often that's like a personal mindset shift. She has this philosophy that every time we offer our clients something, we should give it to them and provide them with 3 times more value than they're expecting. And she has given me 10 times more value than I ever expected with Gardenary. Between the in-person live coaching calls and all the worksheets and just all the information that she gives us, and more with the emotional support, it really has changed my concept of myself and what I'm capable of, not just in my business, but in my entire life.